Hey everyone, it's Jonathan here, founder of Driving Academy, and today we're going to be talking about 3 things that everyone must do before they can actually start learning how to drive a truck in the training yard. So if one of your goals is to get a CDL license, I want to welcome you. My name is Jonathan and I'm the founder of the best driving school in the entire country. I'm not the reason why we're the best, it's because of the team that we've created around here and the curriculum that we have and the whole overall customer experience. One of the reasons is that we are a guaranteed training course, which means that we can actually guarantee that you walk away with your CDL license. If you want more information on how that works, give us a call, 908-525-3609. But let's get into the actual content for today. So, the first thing that you have to understand is how to actually get your CDL license. So pretty much you can break it down into 2 main steps. Step number 1, you have to actually get yourself that CDL permit. Step number 2, you have to pass a 2.5-hour long road test. Now in that case, there's many different little steps in those 2 main steps. So for instance, to get your CDL permit, there's a few things you have to do. One is that you're going to have to study for it, pass all the 3 required written tests, and make sure that you get your DOT physical. Alright, so to make everything super clear, let's kind of give you the timeline overall. You're going to have training for your permit, you're going to go get your permit, then you're going to have training for the road test, and then you're going to get your road test. But after February 7th of 2022, some things have changed in that dynamic. So this is pretty much what you're going to have to do, which are the 3 things you have to do before you actually go for your CDL yard training. Is going to be, you're going to have to get yourself that CDL permit. So in order to get the CDL permit, you're going to have to make sure that you study hard, and we have courses available that can actually help you out with that. And then you're going to want to pass 3 different written tests. So it's going to be general knowledge, air brakes, and combination vehicle. Second thing is you're going to want to make sure you get your DOT physical done. And everybody who gets a CDL license must be healthy enough to drive a truck, which means that's why you need to go get your DOT physical. Once you get your DOT physical done, give that to the local DMV, and you're ready to get what's called a CLP, a commercial learner's permit. And now the new thing that you have to do according to the new regulations is now you're going to have to pass a theory course, or ELDT training theory course. So that being said, we have that course available for all the students who actually want to be a student of ours here. It's included with all of our courses. A lot of different schools will charge you an extra $200 to $500 extra on top of the course itself just to go through that material, but we created the content ourselves. We wanted to make sure it's as streamlined and as easy as possible, and you have to get 80% or better on that course. Most of that stuff can be done in about 3 to 4 hours and complete the entire section right then and there to give you that information. Once you get 80% or better on that quiz at the end, then you're ready to rock and roll, and you get to move on to the yard training. So it's super important that you understand that. If you want some more details on exactly how the ELDT training course works, give our team a call at 908-525-3609, or check out our website at cdldrivingacademy.com. Again, that's cdldrivingacademy.com. Thanks. Have a great day. Hey, thank you so much for watching this video. If you like it, make sure you hit that like button. Also, subscribe to our channel. It's really going to help us out. Click on that button. And if you want to continue yourself on your road to freedom, here's more videos to watch. There's endless amounts. Hopefully we get to see each other one day very soon. Thanks.